everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we are watching the 1997 war drama film called The Island on Bird Street. During World War II, in the Warsaw ghetto, a young boy hides from the Nazis after his family has been taken away. With only a pet mouse for company, he waits for his father to return as he promised.
1997 winner of 2 Silver Bear Awards at the Berlin Film Festival, including Single Achievement for Original Music.
Imagine it. Imagine if someone came and built a high wall right around your neighborhood so you couldn't get out. That's what the Nazis did to us.
An international